Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you 5 websites to learn new fast typing skills. So guys, go to discorel.com website. Don't worry about the link, I will put in your description below. Here we have 5 best online websites to teach you how you can typing fast. The first one, typing.com, as you can see here. Let's open. Okay, it's an amazing website. Just sign up and create your own account and start learning faster typing. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the next one, typingclub.com. Also, it's an amazing website. There are more than 600 free lessons with which you can learn 10 fingers typing skills. So let's open it. Okay, as you can see, just here select or press get started. Okay, as you can see, you can start from here. One, the other one are locked. Okay, amazing one.
I hear you want to type like a...
Okay guys, the third one, speed typing online. Also, let's open. Also, it's an amazing one. You can also register here by create an account and start learning typing. Okay, let's go to the next one, typingtest.com. Also, it's an amazing website. Just check your typing skills in a minute. Okay, you can set here 1 minute, 2 minutes, the time, the text you want to train about, and start test. That's it. Okay, let's check the last one, ratatype.com. Okay, let's open this website. Also, here you can sign up and create your own account and start typing. So guys, as you can see, now I'm trying to type these letters. Okay, that's it. It's so easy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.